Save Word file into PDF. Welcome to How to Do It. I'm Gogi from How to Do It, and today we're gonna talk about that how to save Word file into PDF. Yes, you are listening right. It's very easy to do, but many times it's very become hassle for us. So how we can do so? Word to PDF. Let's save this file. Go to this file, save as, and after that we have to type the file name, whatever name we want to give. From drop down we have to choose this PDF and click on save. That's it, we can save a Word file into PDF. But if you are not able to do so, you have to go to a website called ilovepdf.com. It's not a promotional video, it's just I loved this website and I want to share with you. Click on this Word to PDF option, and after that select this file, and from Word to PDF your file should be saved over there as a Word. And now click on convert, and you will see a download button after converting this file to PDF. I'm downloading it, and that's it. This is the file you just saved and converted from Word to PDF. So that's the way how you can easily save a Word file into PDF. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.